Hi, I'm Diana. Do you have a new refrigerator? You don't have a water source behind it. You need to get water there. Or maybe you've got a new ice maker. It needs water, a water line. Well, this little kit will help you bring water from your faucet, your kitchen faucet, to the refrigerator or ice maker. So we're going to show you how to install this. But before we do, we're going to go ahead and look at what's included in the kit. Now, first of all, you're going to get 25 feet of 1/4-inch tubing. And then you're also going to get the contents of this box, little accessories you're going to need. Okay, I'm going to have Kevin explain what these parts are in here and how it all goes together.
Okay, all of these parts allow you to go from what would be under your sink, this valve, to this water pipe. So you tend to take, first off, you're going to want to shut your water off underneath the sink. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull off the feed line to probably your kitchen faucet. This is the cold water side, the right side. If you're looking at two valves underneath the sink, the right side will be your cold water. You're going to take this unit and you're going to take the 3/8 inch side and you're going to screw it to the top of that valve as such. Then you're going to want to be able to go to the sink again, so you're going to take this unit, which is a compression fitting, doesn't need any silicone tape, and you're going to connect those two things together. You're going to do this with wrenches, get them good and firm and tight. And then you're going to screw on back to the feed line, back to your kitchen sink. And then on this side, you're going to screw on this little valve, and it's got an O-ring here, so it does not need any Teflon tape either. Get that nice and tight. Give it a firm little twist with a wrench or a pair of pliers. This is going to have an off valve here. So this, if it's contrary to the line, that's off. If it's in line, that's on. This is going to run to this white hose. You're going to push this in there. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to keep this clean. But you're going to push this in there. It's a compression fitting. That will not come out. Then you're going to run this probably through the bottoms of your cabinets. You have to drill holes in your cabinets, etc., to get the other end of this line back behind your refrigerator. When you get back behind your refrigerator, you're going to take this white thing and you're going to put it on the other end, and this piece here is going to attach to the bottom of your refrigerator where it takes water in for your ice maker.